Towards the end of this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get a free 130-page book on becoming more strategic, focused, and competitive. The book takes you through an 8-step strategic planning process that helps you create and articulate your winning strategy, set goals using the OKR framework, and create a launch event and form weekly execution rhythms that keep everyone on track. You should also check out the free Miro board that makes it easy to manage planning workshops. And when you're ready to bring your strategy to life and manage your growth in software, you should also check out Zocri. Zocri makes managing your strategy, OKRs, culture, and people easy, improving productivity and focus whilst reducing your execution risk.
So I wanted to talk about something that I learned when I was the Chief Product Officer of a Canadian company that had 10 big tech products. And working with the product managers of those products taught me something valuable. And it's the idea of when is a feature or a requirement that a customer has table stakes, i.e. it is needed because it is seen as a utility to that customer, and without it, you're not really part of the consideration set. And when is a feature a unique selling point or something that's magical or is clearly a differentiator or an advantage for salespeople or your marketing team, and gives them a capability to take what you sell to market in a way that allows them to have an advantage. So this is quite an important idea, and what we're looking for is such a deep understanding of the customer, what they're trying to achieve, the jobs they need to do, the pain points they need to resolve, that we're able to focus our energy not just on providing the table stakes that really do matter, but also have a plan for where we are going to be best and how we will then win. So regardless of whether you're selling coffee and cake, or whether you're selling a technology product or you're manufacturing, really understanding how the products and services that we've chosen to sell need to be planned and managed in order to cover these bases of table stakes and much better, a reason for choosing you. What are you best at versus everybody else, where a customer would go, wow, you've got to check that out, or that solves my problem, or does the job I need you to do better than everybody else. So when planning your strategy, when planning your product and customer experience perspective, just have those conversations in mind and talk to the various teams and really understand the nuances of all of those requirements and see whether you can actually create that kind of balance between table stakes and best and clearly better.